Dear friends, welcome back to our Path Maths online classes. This is Gaurav Diman in front of you to teach the chapter number 7. Already we are doing exercise 7.6 and in this exercise already we have done 15 questions. So let me recall the formula basis on which we have completed the 15 questions first. The formula was your whenever two functions are in multiplication form like u and v, then its integration is given by u as it is integration of v minus derivative of u multiply by integration of v and the whole integration as well. This formula can be written in the form of first and second, which is given by first as it is integration of second minus derivative of first integration of second and the whole integration. These first and second functions are to be chosen from the word ILATE, which already we have discussed in your last video. I stands for inverse trigonometric functions, I stands for logarithm functions, A stands for algebraic functions, T stands for trigonometric functions and E stands for exponential function. So इनमें से जो फंक्शन पहले नंबर पे आएगा उसको फर्स्ट और जो बाद में आएगा उसको सेकंड ट्रीट करके we can use this formula. Now basis on this formula already we have completed 15 questions. So today we are going to start with the question number 16 and the question number 16 which is your in a different form from this formula. कुछ अलग फॉर्मूला है जो इस फॉर्मूले से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है and we are going to discuss today that formula. The formula is given in the form of exponential function will be there multiply any function plus its exact derivative should be there. The question will be in the form of any exponential function with function plus its exact derivative. Exact derivative means आपको जो भी फंक्शन दिया हुआ उसको एक्यूरेट डेरिवेटिव होना चाहिए whatever the coefficient is present there or not. अगर प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो एग्जैक्ट डेरिवेटिव नहीं है. इन केस कोफिशिएंट की बात करें तो कोफिशिएंट भी प्रेजेंट होना जरूरी है. सो दिस विल द टाइप व्हिच वी विल find in the question number 16 onwards. So how can we do the integration? So first of all just open the braces like e to the power x f of x into dx plus e to the power x into f dash x into dx. now देखिए जिस फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव है उस फंक्शन को एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन के साथ we need to use your by parts rule. By parts which is your the process of finding the integration in which two functions are in multiplication form like u and v. So taking this function as u and exponential function as v, this will be given by u as it is integration of v minus derivative of u multiply by integration of v and the whole integration plus the remaining term will remain as it is. This is your e to the power x into f dash x. Now let's see what will happen. F of x integration of e to the power x remain as e to the power x minus derivative of fx can be written in the form of e f dash x and again the integration of e to the power x is your e to the power x into dx plus e to the power x into f dash x into dx. Now you can see the derivative of the function multiplied by exponential will be in the negative form and there is one more term which is the same as e to the power x multiplied by derivative of the function. So both are of opposite signs, they will be cancelled out and the answer will be your e to the power x multiplied by f of x plus c. So in case जब भी आपको कोई टाइप मिलती है जिसके अंदर एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन और साथ में फंक्शन प्लस उसका एग्जैक्ट डेरिवेटिव मिलेगा then in that case you can directly write it in the form of e to the power x into f of x plus c. अगर एक नंबर में क्वेश्चन आता है then directly you can use this formula और अगर 4 मार्क्स में क्वेश्चन आता है then you can have to apply this complete process. So इस फॉर्मूले के बेसिस पे we are going to start the question number 16. The question number 16 which is your given as your integration of e to the power x into sin x plus cos x. आप अगर कंपेयर करेंगे इस गिवन क्वेश्चन को और गिवन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के साथ, तो एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन इज देयर, वन फंक्शन इज देयर प्लस इट्स एग्जैक्ट डेरिवेटिव इज आल्सो देयर। sin x का एग्जैक्ट डेरिवेटिव cos x होता है, इट मींस फंक्शन प्लस f dash x is given to you, so you can directly write it in the form of e to the power x into sin of x plus c। और अगर आप कंप्लीट प्रोसेस अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं तो जस्ट ओपन द ब्रेसेस, apply the UV rule in the form of sin x and e to the power x, then one term will be cancelled out, the answer will be your e to the power x into sin x। So you can do by yourself अगर आप पूरा प्रोसेस करना चाहते हैं तो। So now let me do the question number 17 for all of you। Question number 17, in which again we find the type of exponential function multiplied by function plus its exact derivative। So the question is your question number 17, this is your x e to the power x over 1 plus x whole square। This is the given question to you, in which x and e to the power x is there in numerator and 1 plus x whole square in your denominator। So what can we do? Let's make the numerator and denominator try to make numerator and denominator as same by adding and subtracting 1 in numerator, 1 plus x minus 1 हम कर सकते हैं क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा। So this is your like this, I will just add 1 and subtract 1। Now separate the terms by taking these two ones, 1 plus x over 1 plus x whole square minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square and complete e to the power x is multiplication form with all the terms। So this will be cancelled out and this is your 1 upon 1 plus x and can be written as plus minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square। देखिए बच्चों आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर 1 upon 1 plus x का डेरिवेटिव करेंगे, इट्स डेरिवेटिव विल बी गिवन बाय माइनस 1 upon 1 plus x स्क्वायर। आप इसको क्वेश्चन टूल अप्लाई करके भी चेक कर सकते हैं, otherwise you can take 1 plus x into numerator and then power will be in front of the function, base will remain as it is and 1 less from the power will give you the minus 1 upon 1 plus x square। means ये f of x है plus ये f dash x है, so means function plus its derivative is given to you and outside this is exponential function, so you can directly write down in the form of e to the power x into 1 over 1 plus x plus c, where f of x is 1 upon 1 plus x। So this is the question number 17। Now let me do the question number 18। Question number 18 is your, we are given with e to the power x 1 plus this is sin x over 1 plus cos x। The given question is this। So what can we do? Let's separate the terms by 1 over 1 plus cos x and sin x over 1 plus cos x by remaining denominator as it is। Denominator को as it is रखिए, we can separate the terms by taking 1 and sin x separately। So now we know that 1 plus cos x is always given by 2 cos square half of the angle। Already we have discussed this formula in so many times in the last videos, that this is given by 2 cos square x by 2। This came from the formula of cos 2x plus the formula of sin 2x is given by 2 sin x multiplied by cos x। So if only sin x is there, then it can be replaced by 2 sin x by 2 multiplied by cos x by 2। So this is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 and divided by again using the formula of 1 plus cos x, which is given by 2 cos square x by 2। This is 2 cos square x by 2 like this। 2 will be cancelled with the 2, 1 cos x by 2 will be cancelled out with cos x by 2, remaining terms will be of e to the power x। See, 1 over cos square x by 2 can be converted in the form of secant square x by 2, 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 can be written as 1 upon 2 secant square x by 2 plus What is sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2? This is given by tan x by 2 into dx. Now let's see, this is the type of the integration in which exponential function is there, one term plus another term is there, और इन दोनों टर्म्स में आप चेक कर सकते हैं कि अगर एक फंक्शन f(x) आपका tan x by 2 है, then its derivative is given by secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2, which is exactly given in the given question. tan x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव हाफ secant square x by 2 होता है. So this is your f of x now, and which is tan x by 2, and f dash x is your half secant square x by 2. So this can directly be written as e to the power x into tan x by 2 plus c. So this will be your answer of the given question. Now we will do the question number 19, and I think you can do by yourself. Question number 19 is your same as we have done in your question number 17. This is given that exponential function is there, 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square is there. हमें पता है कि 1 upon x का जो डेरिवेटिव होता है exactly that is given by minus 1 upon x square. So it's your homework to do the question completely. Now let me do the question number 20. We will do the question number 20, and which is given by so we will do the question number 20 now, which is equal to x minus 3 e to the power x upon x minus 1 whole cube. देखिए ये फिर से ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ गया है जो हम लोग ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, जिसमें आपको न्यूमरेटर x था और डिनोमिनेटर में 1 प्लस x था. दैट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, और उसमें हमने क्या किया था, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम बनाने की कोशिश की थी, और सेम वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन दिस क्वेश्चन. हम भी क्या कर सकते हैं, x minus 3 there in the numerator and x minus 1 in your denominator. So what can we do? Just change the numerator in the form of x minus 1, and that can be done by writing minus 3 as minus 1 and minus 2. The denominator will remain same like this. No doubt we will separate the terms, क्योंकि separate करने के बाद x minus 1 और x minus 1 they will cancel out. So this is your x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole cube and e to the power x is there. Now you can see this x minus 1 will cancel out with the cube power, remaining 2 power will be there, and this quotient will be now 1 upon x minus 1 whole square minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole cube e to the power x into the x. देखिए बच्चों, now we can write this one as like this also. ये जो बीच में माइनस आया था इसको हम 2 के साथ लिखकर बीच में प्लस भी लगा सकते हैं. So just keep in mind that if any exponential function is there and the two terms are there, then we need to check the derivative of each other. आपने एक दूसरे का डेरिवेटिव चेक कर लेना है कि डेरिवेटिव एग्जैक्ट डेरिवेटिव है या नहीं, and we can check very well 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. अगर डेरिवेटिव करें इसका तो the derivative will be of minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole cube, क्योंकि अगर इसको नीचे से ऊपर लेके जाएंगे x minus 1 की पावर minus 2 होगी, और बेस टू दी पावर का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं डेरिवेटिव के लिए, तो आंसर विल बी minus 2 x minus 1 की पावर minus 3, and that can be further written in the form of minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole cube. So this is your type of f of x plus f dash x multiplied by exponential function, and this is given by formula simply exponential function multiplied by the function which is x minus 1 whole square plus c. So this will be your answer. So this was the question number 20, and the question number 21 is your homework for all of you, because this is the direct UV formula we have to apply in this question. Now let's see the question number 22. Question number 22 is again very familiar question for all of you, जिसको हम इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन में डेरिवेटिव्स में कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, और अब इंटीग्रेशन भी करना है. सेम क्वेश्चन का हम इंटीग्रेशन में करना है. ये डेरिवेटिव भी कर चुके हैं इसी फंक्शन के लिए. इसी फंक्शन को हम सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं इन चैप्टर नंबर 2. सो Same case will be there. We need to do the integration, but first of all, you have to write it in the simplest form. Or if this is a direct formula of 2 tan inverse x. Just recall the formulas which were in your chapter number second chapter में हमें जो formula थे 2 tan inverse x के, that those were your, let me write down all formulas. 2 tan inverse x is given by in the form of sin inverse. This is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. In case of cos inverse, this is your 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. In the form of tan inverse, this is given by tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. These are the three formulas of the same function 2 tan inverse x. So this can be replaced by completely 2 tan inverse x, and this is your now given by 2 tan inverse x into dx. अब ये वो पहले जो हमने 50 क्वेश्चंस किए हैं उन्हीं से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है, उससे रिलेटेड फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बाय टेकिंग 1 as second and tan inverse as first. UV rule will be there. So first test is integration of second minus derivative of first and the integration of second with whole integration like this. Now this can be further simplified as tan inverse x. Integration of 1 is x, so this is x minus derivative of tan inverse x is given by 1 over 1 plus x square, and the integration of 1 is your x with whole integration we need to do. Further, this can be written as 2 tan inverse, or we can write 2x tan inverse x minus 2x upon 1 plus x square into dx. Take this 2 inside the integral. Now this is the integration in which exact derivative is given to you in your numerator for the denominator. Denominator का direct derivative numerator है. In that case we can directly return denominator as log of the denominator, as the answer will be your 2x tan inverse x minus log of 1 plus x square plus c. So this is your the answer of the given question. So this was the question number 22nd. Now 23 and 24, these are the two questions which are a homework for all of you, and these are very simple questions based on the type number 1 and type number 2 in this exercise what I have discussed in the previous video and in this video. So this was chapter exercise 7.6. In the next video we will start with exercise 7.7, and thank you. Have a nice day.